Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome class 8 in your online computer class. In the previous class, you have studied about the spot healing brush tool and about the patch tool in Photoshop. Now today I am going to tell you about the healing brush tool. The healing brush tool is similar to the spot healing brush tool. There is the only difference. Spot healing brush tool, when you select the area which you want to change. In spot healing brush tool, what you do, you select the area which you want to change, and Photoshop automatically changes it according to the neighboring areas. But with the healing brush tool, you need to select a sample of the area that you want to change to look like. To use this tool, first click and hold down the spot healing brush tool to open the hidden tools. Then click on the healing brush tool. Then press and hold the Alt key and click on the area that you want to select as a sample. Here I have selected the eye of the duck as a sample. Now what you have to do, what I do, I click and hold the mouse button and move the mouse over the area that I wanted to change, like this. Next is clone stamp tool. The clone stamp tool is like a rubber stamp. Just as a rubber stamp copies its mark on paper, the clone stamp tool also creates a duplicate of whatever is stored in the tool as a sample. So what is clone stamp tool? It is like a rubber stamp tool and it creates a duplicate of a sample. It creates a duplicate of a sample. To use clone stamp tool, just select the object which you want to duplicate and then click and hold the mouse button and move the mouse over the area where you want to place the duplicate. So here I am holding the mouse button and I move the mouse over the area where I wanted to place the duplicate. So here you can see that the clone stamp tool makes an exact copy of this image, right? Now if I use the healing brush tool, what happens? The healing brush tool, I have selected the object and then I click and hold the mouse button and move the mouse over the area. So you can see that here this healing brush tool keeps the highlights and shadows of the area on which I am copying this image, right? So this is the difference between healing brush tool and clone stamp tool. Clone stamp tools exactly copies the image, but the healing brush tool keeps the shadow of the area on which the sample has been copying. So it only paints the color of your sampling area. So therefore, to use the clone stamp tool, it is more suitable to use clone stamp tool. Next is working with text. This is the type tool. This type tool is used to add text to an image in Photoshop. Okay, how we use this tool? First, open an image which you want to add text to it. Open that image and then click on the horizontal type tool. You can select the desired font size and color from the option bar. Then click on the image and type your text. Next topic is warping text. Warping text allows you to twist, stretch or distort the text. Okay, so to warp a text, click on the horizontal type tool and then uh, type your text. Now click on the type menu, select the text and then click on the type menu. When you click on the type menu, you will see that then select the warp text from the drop down list. The warp text dialog box appears. Now from here you can select an option from horizontal or vertical to set the direction of warp. You can also modify the horizontal and vertical distortions and adjust the percentage of blend.